So with this practice worksheet that you guys just did, here's the answers with the work, if needed. So, Mukhtar earns $10.50 per hour working at Pizza Hut. On Friday, he spent 1 3/4 hours cleaning, 2 1/3 hours doing paperwork, and 1 5/12 hours serving customers. What were Mukhtar's earnings? So, first you need to figure out how many hours he worked. So you punch in your calculator. 1 ABC, 3 ABC, 4. So 1 3/4 plus 2 ABC, 1 ABC, 3 plus 1 ABC, 5 ABC, 12ths. So he worked 5.5 hours. So you know that it's 5.5 hours, and he gets paid $10.50 per hour. So all you do is multiply times 10.50, and you get $57.75. Down here, it's as simple as multiplying two fractions. The key is that you have two negatives, and a negative times a negative equals positive. So we know that it's going to be C or D, not A or B. Those two are gone. So we hit in -1 ABC 4 times -3 ABC 7, 3/28. Number 3, convert 3/11ths into a decimal using long division. Now it's quick and simple to check yourself. You could just punch in 3 divided by 11, and you get 0.272727, which is equivalent to 0.27, the line repeating. But what you want is 3 divided by 11. So it doesn't go in here. You put the decimal point here, and it's 2. Okay? So you get 22, and that's an 8. Bring down a 0, it's 7. It's 3, bring down a 0, it's 2 again. So now you get your pattern, 22, get 80, and then 7. So there you go. Okay? That's the work you need. This is the answer. Coming up here, which expression is equivalent to 7x minus 5 minus 3x minus 2? You just need to combine like terms. 7x minus 3x. 7x minus 3x equals 4x. Then it's -5 plus -2. I'm sorry, -5 minus -2, which equals -3. So it's 4x minus 3, which is D. Now this last number 5 is truly as simple as just punching it in the calculator. -0.75 minus -2 ABC 5 plus 0.4 plus -3/4. -0.7. Done. Down here, the scientists determined that Antarctica's average winter temperature was -10 degrees. The difference between this temperature and Antarctica's highest temperature was 20 degrees. What was Antarctica's highest temperature? So, if -10, and we're looking, that's its average, and we're looking for its highest, would you subtract 10 and get to -30, or would you add 10? I'm sorry, add 20. If you add 20, you'd get +10, because +10 is a higher degree than -10. So the answer is -10. You're just taking the difference of 20, but it's the difference of 20 from the highest to the average, so you would just add 20. Pablo went bowling with $25 to spend. He rented shoes for $5.25 and paid $4 for each game. So if you set this up as an equation, it would be 25 equals 525 plus $4 per game. Subtract 525. And you get 1975 equals 4. So if you do 1975 divided by 4, you'd get 4.9. So can he pay for 5 games or 4 games? He does not have enough to go up to 5, so you need to go down to 4. Sam bought 35 feet of window trim at a hardware store. The trim costs $1.75 per foot, so it's this and this many feet. If he paid with $100, how much change would he get? Well, each foot is $1.75, and that's $61.25. But the question is, how much change would he get if he paid with 100? Subtract it. So 100 minus $61.25, it's $38.75. For her cell phone, Wah paid $30 per month plus 5 cents per text. She wants to keep her bill under $60 per month. Which inequality represents the number of texts Wah can send each month while staying within the budget? Okay, so if she wants to stay under $60, she pays $30 per month plus 0.05 per text minus 30. So you get 30 under 0.5x. So you do 30 divided by 0.05, divide by that coefficient, is 600. Okay? So she has to be under. Can she do more than 600? No, she cannot do more than 600. She has to do less than 600. Down here, it is as simple as distributing. So distribute a -3 and distribute 1/2. Now some of you like doing the box model, so you could do -3 and x and -2y. So this would be -3x, and this would be a negative times a negative, it's positive 6y. Over here, 1/2 times 6x minus 8y. Half of 6, 3x. Half of -8 is -4y. So let's combine our like terms. 4x minus 3x plus 6y plus 3x minus 4y. What are my like terms? 4x minus 3x plus 3x. So what's 4 minus 3? That's 1 plus 3. 4x. Now combine 6y minus 4y. -2y. And we're done. Up here, just simply solve the equation. Need to get rid of this. So you subtract 78.2. Punch that in your calculator. 287 minus 78.2. So you get 0.5x equals 208.8. Divide by your coefficient. Divide by 0.5. So divide by 0.5. 417.6 equals x, and that's that right there. And the last question is, which figure results as a perimeter of 4x plus 4? So the trick is that you need to realize that each side, there's the opposite side over here. So this is x plus 1, this is 2x, this is 2, this is 2x plus 1, this is 1, this is x plus 4, this is x. So, it's supposed to be which one is not. Because this is 2x plus 2x, 4x, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. Down here, x plus x plus x plus x, 4x, but we have x, 4 plus 4, which is 8. Over here, 2x plus 2x, 4x, 2 plus 2, 4. X plus x plus x plus x, 4x, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, plus 4. So which one does not equal 4x plus 4? And that's B. Hope you had a good time. Know all these problems. Good luck.